Meaning of ill-equipped.
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 Ill-equipped. Ill-equipped means lacking the necessary tools, skills, or resources to accomplish a particular task or handle a particular situation. When someone or something is ill-equipped, it often leads to negative outcomes, such as inefficiency, mistakes, and even failure. For instance, an ill-equipped team may struggle to complete a project or meet a deadline, which could result in lost business opportunities and damaged reputation. Similarly, an ill-equipped individual may struggle to manage their personal finances or deal with unforeseen events, leading to stress and hardship. Thus, being well-equipped is crucial for success and resilience in various aspects of life.